a quick how-to and how to fast forward an audio that you're playing and how to fast rewind. To fast forward, you hold down the shift key on your keyboard while pressing repeatedly the right arrow key. The same if you're going to fast rewind, you hold the shift key down and then you press repeatedly the left key to go backwards. Here's an example. I'm pushing the arrow key on the right while it's playing repeatedly. Going fast forward, you can stop and then rewind. Shift key, press the left arrow key. And that's how it's done.